I want to demonstrate to you street style guitar. The fingers of the right hand are free, and I can add something else.
I can take a photo of you together. Oh my god, it's so cute! Friends, hello everyone, this is Pasha Akstar and today is a legendary format. I did this 2 years ago and there are just crazy views. So today the homeless guitarist returns to the streets with some incredibly cool reactions. We've filmed so many cool things for you. You can't even imagine. So friends, be sure to like the video. It's very important, and if you don't like the video you can remove the like, but I will do everything so that you like it. I wish you a pleasant viewing. And of course I need to change my appearance to a homeless person. And let's do it right now. This is our outfit today. Poles, jacket, pants. Don't ask me where I got this. Let's go shock people. Now I'll lie down and wait for someone. Oh, so cold. Yes?
Pasha, there are 2 girls sitting behind you. I think you can go up to them.
Okay, thank you. Oh, girls, hello. I'm Pavel.
No, thank you.
Okay, I have a question for you. I made a deal that today street musicians will let me play in the central square while they have a break. I'll have 5 minutes, and I need help to decide on the song I'm going to play. You can just listen and say if it's okay or not.
Okay.
Lie here. You've never heard anything like it. I'll play you a street school guitar now. A homeless guitar. Oops. I'm choosing between several pieces, but my favorite is this one. If I play like this, will it be okay?
Personally, I really liked it.
So I play this one, right?
Yes, of course.
And just imagine, everything that people donate while I play will go to me.
Wow, that's awesome. Good luck.
I think a lot will be donated.
I hope so. Maybe you have something?
Unfortunately, there's no cash.
Okay, no problem. I invite you to listen to my show on the Central Square. We start at 7:30 p.m. That's it, I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
And maybe you could withdraw some cash from the ATM.
Okay.
Hello? Can I play one song?
Do you want to sing?
No, I'll just play.
What?
Can I play one song?
Can you do it?
Yes, I can.
Well, come on.
Thank you. Is it possible to connect to your equipment?
Is there somewhere to connect?
Yes, I have a jack. I think that's what it's called.
Well, let's get you connected.
Hello, everyone. We have a new member of our group.
Good evening, everyone. I want to demonstrate to you street style guitar, street school. Yes, I hope you like it. Can I please have support? Thanks a lot. In general, look, what does music consist of? We have rhythm, right? The melody and accompaniment, and we can work with this. Look, I do this only with my left hand. But my right hand is free, and I can add more groove, like this.
Don't play.
But the fingers of the right hand are free, and I can add something else. My right hand is free, and I can even play a melody with it. And chorus. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You play awesome, dude.
You are handsome.
Thanks.
Hi, can we take a photo with you, please? My husband and I are your fans.
Yes, of course.
We watch all your videos. You are so cool.
The celebrity is here.
Can I have a photo with me, please?
X-Star is here.
You play very cool. We're all watching.
Thanks.
Oh, you're that vlogger who plays guitar?
Yes, yes.
I love you. You're awesome.
As soon as we heard the guitar, we immediately realized it was you.
It was really cool how the crowd reacted and how everyone came up to me to take pictures and then walked away from the musicians. I felt really awkward in front of them. Holy shit, cool. I like how this video turned out. I don't like walking around like that, but I like the video. In fact, I realized that such videos are difficult for me because today I realized that I am generally a sociophobe. That is, I don't really like to disturb people. So I try for you. Be sure to like and comment. And from me, great content. I can take a photo of you together. No need?
No, thank you.
Okay, then can you take a photo of me? Just against the backdrop of a car and a cathedral. Just wait a second. I need to get my phone. So, look.
Is that your car?
Yes, mine. I took the phone. Look. Okay, stand here. That's it. You need to press the central button there. That's it.
Yes.
Thank you. Well guys, I got myself a speaker. Now we'll try to organize karaoke. Hi girls! We have karaoke on wheels. Choose a song. You can order any.
Maybe something from Ariana Grande?
I don't even know what.
Maybe something popular?
Матушка Земля.
Матушка Земля.
Yes, let's go.
If you give me something, that would be great. You just have to sing. Will you sing?
We'll try.
Absolutely wonderful.
It was beautiful. Well done.
Thank you.
This is all I have.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Take the chocolate.
Thank you.
It's not tasty.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Well, look what I earned. Half a chocolate bar, 23 cents, and some gum. Not bad. If anything happens, I won't be lost. Excuse me, you're leaving, right? Leaving.
Leaving.
Can I stand here?
Do what you want.
Thank you. Is this a profitable place?
It used to be fucking awesome.
And how is it now?
Not a damn thing for the last 2 years.
At least they give a little?
Well then, for the bunny on the carrot.
Got it. Thank you. Let's do a time lapse now. Let's see how much I can earn here. Nothing for 10 minutes so far. Not a very profitable place. You know what I realized? If I stood right here and played the same thing, but looked normal, there would be a crowd here. But because I look like a homeless person, people walk by and don't even look. Thank you. 25 cents. That's already good. This is already something.
Play very well.
Thank you.
Aren't you cold here?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Hey, cool bird, come here. What's up, bro? Don't be afraid. Come here, let's sit together.
Please take it. Warm up, hot coffee, and something to eat.
Thank you very much. My hands were just freezing. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Wow, coffee, hot dog, and even something else. This is very nice. It's great that there are people who care about those in need. So, in 40 minutes I earned $2.75. So if something goes wrong with blogging, I won't be lost. This is how the video turned out. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like it if you want part 2. I promise you'll like it even more. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There's a lot of interesting stuff there. QR code on the left side of the screen and link in the description. Thanks for watching. I missed you and love you very much. See you in the next video.